weekend before Christmas. I'm the only one at the allotment. Sunday, relaxed, all set for Christmas, just about. Come here for an hour or so. Looking alright, isn't it? I mean, there's nothing growing apart from the leaf. It's all ready to spring into life. Onions, garlic. Right, so I can nearly finish clearing the back, but the fridge is looming. Got to move that somehow. I'm going to try and shift it today, although it is very heavy. I might need to come back tomorrow with a better plan. All that being said, exciting news. New theme tune done by my brother. Check it out. Right, plan A. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know we always end up on like plan C, D or whatever. Here's the plan. Move the last bit of soil onto the compost heap. Clear the area. Ready to move this beast back over there. Doesn't move. It's too heavy. We might even get a glimpse into what's inside later. So to look forward to. Right, about halfway there, digging that back bit out. You can see we're adding to that compost heap with just nice soil. We've also dug up a load of old plastic, just all buried in the pile at the back. A trowel and a glove. Some 2 hanging baskets and an old toilet cistern filled with 50 coat hooks. Yeah, you know, I can see the thought process. I've got an old toilet cistern. Let's put them 50 coat hooks in there, take it down the allotment and bury it. Well, I've dug it up now. Tip, I think. I'll have to go to the tip. Do you want to see some digging? I mean, Dig Dave Dig channel, why not? You see I'm having to filter every spadeful out. There's still bits of twigs which are going in one spot. Plastic somewhere else. Mud on the compost heap. Slow progress, but latest find, a horseshoe. I guess that's lucky, innit? Is it luckier if you find 2? Anyway, I'll continue. Right, it's time to find out what's in the old fridge and maybe explain why it's so heavy. Are you ready? Oh yeah. Yep. Let me take you closer in. It's filled with sticks. Yeah, they're all cobwebs. All cobwebs. And I think there's soil at the bottom, which explains why it's so heavy. I was going to leave. I've got to get all that out, don't I? Yeah. Twig. How long have these been here? I did. What is that? It's a person who brought a toilet cistern and filled it with pegs. Filled an old fridge with soil. Explains why it's so heavy. Oh, he broke his trowel in the process, look. Or she. I've been digging for about 10 minutes. We're almost at the bottom. It's finally light enough to move. I'm going to tip it on its side so I can get the remainder of the soil out. Watch your toes. Just for the sake of any doubts, it's a freezer. I might have called it a fridge, I might have called it a freezer. It is a freezer. Right, time to move it over there. Right, moved it. I just want to make it clear, I don't want this on the allotment, but I've got no way of getting rid of it. So, make the most of it. Shove it at the back. I could use it as a workbench. You know, I've got my toilet cistern. I want to count 50 coat hooks in. Perfect height. I could use it as a seat. Beautiful. There's one thing to watch out for though. It's lethal. I mean, don't put your hand there. Yeah, that's going to hurt, doesn't it? Anyway, I have done what I wanted this weekend. Get that moved. There's a bit of stuff to tidy up. Got that plastic to get rid of at the tip. Recycle it. Yeah, other than that, this back's ready to leave alone, or I'm thinking of building a structure. At least put a roof on it, have some sort of area at the back. That's all to think about, isn't it? Well, one week we might actually do some growing, but it is the middle of winter, so what can you do? Right, hope you enjoyed that video. If you feel the need, click subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you did. Follow me on Twitter, DigDaveDig. That's about it really. See you next time.